Welcome to the ultimate guide on starting a youth sports league. If you have a group of parents and a passion for the game, you're halfway there. But turning that passion into a season-long organization requires a clear roadmap. Today, we're looking at the unglamorous but essential steps to get your league off the ground and keep it running for years to come. The first thing you need to know is the difference between a league and a camp. A camp is a one-time event, but a league is a commitment. We're talking about a structure that handles multiple teams, practices, games, and standings over months. Participation is climbing back up with 27 million US kids playing team sports, so the demand is there. It just needs to be organized well. One of the biggest decisions you'll make is your legal structure. Most leagues choose 501c3 nonprofit status. Why? Because it opens doors to lower insurance rates, tax-deductible donations, and grants that an LLC just can't get as easily. It takes longer to set up, but the liability protection and financial perks make it the standard for community sports. Don't try to do it all yourself. You need a board of 5 to 9 people with clearly defined roles. You'll need a commissioner for the final calls, a treasurer for the budget, a registrar for the rosters, a volunteer coordinator to vet coaches, and a facilities lead to book the fields. Recruiting for roles instead of just asking friends prevents burnout early on. Bylaws might sound boring, but they are your best defense against conflict. Write them down before your first season starts. They should cover voting rules, how age divisions work, and the process for removing a coach or parent if needed. Documenting these rules early keeps the board functioning smoothly when things get competitive. When it comes to money, budget before you set your fees. Your single biggest line item is often insurance, and most facilities won't even let you book a field without proof of coverage. Factor in facility rentals, officials, equipment, and background checks. If you don't map these costs first, you'll be the director quietly asking parents for extra fundraisers mid-season. Your registration system is your operational backbone. You need a digital system that collects waivers, medical info, and payments all at once. Open enrollment 6 to 8 weeks early and assign teams at least 2 weeks before opening day. A good system lets families re-enroll automatically so you aren't rebuilding your rosters from scratch every single year. Coaching is the heart of the league. Start with your parent network, but don't stop there. Vetting is non-negotiable. Every coach needs a background check and a basic training standard, like those from the National Alliance for Youth Sports. It's the only way to ensure player safety and satisfy your insurance carrier. Player safety is your highest priority. Skipping coach screening is the single riskiest shortcut you can take. Documented background checks and training standards are not just about safety. They make your league more professional and far easier to ensure. Growth and retention are two sides of the same coin. Did you know 70% of kids quit organized sports by age 13? They usually leave because of poor organization or because it just isn't fun. Fix your communication and your practice flow first. If the experience is great, families will return for season after season. As you scale, you move from firefighting to building repeatable systems. This means tighter insurance coverage, better sponsorship pipelines, and automated scheduling. Growth follows organization. When your systems work, you can focus on the players instead of the paperwork. The best way to handle this complexity is with the right technology. Jumbula provides the registration and management tools you need to automate your forms, payments, and rosters in one secure hub. It's built to scale with your league. Visit jumbula.com today to book a personalized demo and take the stress out of your league management.